Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a very special guitar, and I know I say that a lot, but this one is near and dear to me in that I've been playing this for a good portion of the morning against my other guitar because I happen to really love this instrument. It is a Martin D28 Clarence White. The official model number is a D28CW. Before we get into this guitar and why I must have it, I want to encourage you to sign up for the Acoustic Letter. Just click the link below. You'll be very, very happy that you did so. The D28CW, standing for Clarence White, is a guitar that is my personal dream come true, but let me tell you about it. It is built on a D28 platform, a vintage D28 platform. We have, on the D28CW, an Adirondack spruce top, vintage style bridge with a through bone saddle. We have an enlarged sound hole. I'll get to the details on that later. Really cool pattern pickguard, unique to the Clarence White. We have under the hood of this thing 5/16 inch scalloped forward shifted bracing. We have Indian rosewood on the back and sides. We have a nice mahogany neck with a good strong V in it, kind of a vintage style neck. We have an ebony fretboard with no fret markings whatsoever. The whole guitar is bound in ivory except for the headstock. So the neck, the top, and the back are all bound in ivory. We have a classic vintage style gloss Martin headstock with the old school Martin decal. We have vintage style Waverly tuners, super smooth, actually made here in Bozeman as well. The nut width is 1 11/16. Now, why is this guitar so special to me? Well, first of all, this guitar sounds incredible. Like I said, I've been playing it all morning, and it is a winner for sure in my book. And unique to this guitar is the enlarged sound hole. And why would you do that? Well, it takes a little bit of the wompiness out of the guitar and adds a really distinct cut to the mid-range, which happens to be very good fit for bluegrass style playing. It'll cut through a mix. It'll stand right out up front for a lead. It's a great guitar. And in fact, it's modeled after Clarence White's guitar, which happens to now be played by Tony Rice, which if you haven't heard of him, please YouTube him. You'll be very happy you did so. So let's give this guitar a play so you can hear what the Martin D28CW Clarence White sounds like.